Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing 2 active users on the Ps5 so both players have profiles and saves. Sign in with the primary account, then add or switch to a second local user. This allows split control. Once done, pair both controllers and confirm the PS button shows distinct user icons. Make sure you open the Roblox app and let it update. An outdated client can prevent multiple controllers from registering. This setup guarantees the console and Roblox are ready for local multi-input play. Next, launch a Roblox experience that accepts multiple controllers. Not every game supports local co-op, so choose one that lists local players. After the world loads, have the second user press the PS button and select their profile. This tells Roblox to register a second player. If the game prompts for character selection or a guest slot, complete that step. Make sure to check controller mapping if buttons conflict. Use the Ps5 system settings or in-game controls to rebind inputs so both players can play smoothly. Finally, enable the game's split screen option or trigger local co-op mode. Many titles offer a layout selector for side-by-side or stacked screens, so set resolution and HUD preferences now. Once players are visible, confirm input responsiveness by moving both characters. If one controller is lagging, reconnect via USB, then switch to wireless to force a fresh pairing. If problems persist, reboot the Ps5 and test a different Roblox experience to determine whether the issue is the specific game, the Roblox client, or a system-level input conflict.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.